Recently my neighbor spotted me casing my own house. I said I only really like to go in when I go out. You okay, dude? Yeah, you okay? Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Alright. I know every black crow in the city by its first name, and its surname, and its bird call, and its birthday. Look, I ain't cursed. Ran down Maine like a man on fire from a church. Mangiest scalp in the state, angriest ice in the world. Sun pipes up, tell me, old man, how is it that you could even know that? It's not even a thing that scientists know how to measure. Gramps like Sonny, I've been all over this motherfucking roadmap. I can tell you science ain't the only player in the network. Y'all should've seen a boy face. Nothing like a smug young punk realizing what his counterpoint ain't. All the smartest people that I know seem to teeter in a paranoid state. You can know it all and never know you haven't actually departed point A. Wait. You saying this a B? No, I'm saying you won't ever need to limit the addition when you're free. Whoa. So, what do you do when you get to Z? Bro, look, there's not a chance. I am not officially a ghost, invisible and slamming all the doors, a paranormal scrambling of phones. Look, there's not a day a number isn't cupped in his hands. It's slowly reaching up into the sky. It's fluctuating under my command. Look, I don't use shortcuts. I don't use pace cars. Cut through a graveyard just to cut through another graveyard, just to cut through another graveyard. He's no longer on the radar. I like rivers, sailboats, fishermen, skinny dipping swimmers, kids turning rocks over, catching little critters, eagle in a pine tree, eyeballing dinner. My uncle used to cut school to hit the Susquehanna, kept himself a rod and really hit up in a bramble. The school took attendance, it was quiet as a mouse. He was at the river pulling out a giant by its mouth. A river in the daylight is energy and life. A river in the dark can be a genuine surprise. You might find some lovers getting cozy on a shore over a cold-blooded psychopath disposing of a corpse. Sitting by the Hudson River talking to a ghost. I wish that we could rock a beat and smoke another tones. I miss the way you rhyme and how you never had a clone. Ain't a motherfucker living that could ever crack the code. I like rivers, I like rivers. Freight ships passing through old drawbridges. It looks so cool when you catch from a distance. A little less cool when you're stuck inside your Civic. I wonder what could possibly be lurking on the bottom. I look into the water and imagine all the options. A fish we never knew about, some rusty old jalopy. The murder weapon used to catch the 8th dimension body. I seen a beaver chilling by the bank of the Willamette. We gazed upon each other undeniably enchanted. A wave of telepathic information through the filter. It said, when I go to heaven, I want you to have the river. He also said the others had agreed that I was chosen. Just don't mention it in front of them. It's gloating, it's for no one. I'm pretty sure you don't have the authority to say this, but thank you, I accept. I'll have my lawyer draft the papers. I like rivers, I like rivers. Hard to put a price on water for the village. I jumped into the Amazon to launder all my atoms. The chow prior had me spilling coffee on the captain. My heart is in the East River, floating on a frisbee that came in from the Long Island Sound, a sojourn in a city. It's not the kind of water where you throw a triple Lindy. If you get some on your skin, they probably notify your siblings. I picture a scenario where someone's held me captive. An escape would mean to build a raft and navigate some rapids. I wonder if my training from the School of TV Magic would beget some makeshift watercraft that may go for Damascus. In practice, I have no desire to get into the water. I like to know it's there in the event I ever wanna. Waterfalls, tributaries, Lichtenberg figures, twilight fireflies. I like rivers, 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 I like rivers. I like rivers. I like rivers.
Double Dutch mic, clutch, pearls for the world, abstract southern girl, spit thunder, tongue swirl, unfurl, in a flame fall, cause we all the same, you could never change.
Yeah, I was watching the cam control sessions the other day.
Do it properly, moving through it properly, nobody stopping the circadian rhythm. Love is respect, cherish breath, teach wisdom. Realign with rhyme, predestined to shine, shifting any paradigm. Flow like back or wine, and that's fine. Genuine wine, cane, sugar, raw, clear, crystalline, syncopated rhyme, intertwined with wind chimes, falling off course. Now Cypress Sun, living by the shogun, double-edged sword, puncture your lungs. Solo with crew rock, rebel soul, wellin', baked bellin', rock like Van Helen, pure prana, chi, inhaling, fail to compromise. Mantras mimic battle cries, balance paralyzed, nurture room repel the lies. The femcee, simply empty whack cats. Hit him in the back of their head with ball bats like Louisville slugger. Ill when it come to microphones, I'ma mug ya. Stahhr is a bad mother. Rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint. Rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint. Heru hour, spark sage, meditate shower. Glass of sun rays, charge pyramid power. Vibe, soul, flower, bumping Adriana Evans. Phone ring, quarter breeze, my session at 11. Instant hit list, past the litmus. Witness first eye, quenching thirst fly. Sound class things, CMOS the canteen. Monotony vaccine, sewn in the track scene. Go in the distance, single mothers raising infants. This intense, more than just lights, cameras, and incense. Relentless, syntax missile, be official. Essential, colorful plaid, paisley, and thistle. The rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint. Rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint. Riding priceless, lyric kill for my bounty. God flow like County Cullen, sullen. Dozens half baked, half snake walking upright. Just enough bite, either this or ghost right. Blood type A, positively don't play. Mister, never run game on Parker sister. Blister brains with a sick refrain. Knowledge lifting change, fort I will maintain. Balance, challenge, onomatopoeia. Would you sell your soul for a fly two-seater? Rodney Dangerfield, all respect from Aretha. Illusion figure 4, consciousness into a sleeper. The rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint. Rock to it, rhyme fluid. 80 proof influence, the vibe, just do it. Word into flesh, birth, music, spark movement. Serve with finesse, triple stage, dark blueprint.
and take